Welcome to Digitize, where technology meets creativity. Dive into the world of digital innovation, tech tips, and cutting-edge trends. Imagine a world where diseases can be predicted and prevented before they ever occur. This is the promise of predictive healthcare, powered by advancements in artificial intelligence and big data. AI algorithms can analyze massive amounts of health data from wearables, electronic health records, and even genetic information to identify patterns that humans might miss. This could lead to personalized treatment plans, earlier disease detection, and even the prevention of chronic conditions. For example, companies like DeepMind are already making strides in predicting protein structures, which is crucial for drug discovery. The next decade could see healthcare transform from reactive to proactive, saving countless lives and resources in the process. Speaking of AI, let's talk about its role in creative industries. Generative AI is revolutionizing art, music, and even film production. Platforms like OpenAI's DALL-E and ChatGPT are allowing creators to explore new frontiers, blending human creativity with machine learning. Imagine a world where you can describe a concept for a painting, and within seconds, an AI generates a stunning piece of artwork. Or think about musicians collaborating with AI to create entirely new genres of music. While there's been some debate about the ethical implications of AI in creative fields, there's no denying its potential to democratize creativity and open doors for people who might not have had access to traditional tools. Now let's shift gears to transportation. Electric vehicles are no longer a distant dream. They're becoming mainstream. But the real game changer here is solid-state battery technology. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, solid-state batteries are safer, charge faster, and have a higher energy density. This means EVs could soon travel farther on a single charge, making them even more practical for everyday use. Companies like Toyota and QuantumScape are heavily investing in this technology, and we might see mass adoption within the next few years. Coupled with advancements in autonomous driving, the way we think about personal and public transportation is on the brink of a massive shift. And while we're on the topic of movement, let's discuss Hyperloop systems. Imagine traveling at speeds of over 700 miles per hour in a pod-like capsule through a vacuum tube. This futuristic concept, championed by companies like Virgin Hyperloop and Elon Musk's Boring Company, promises to revolutionize long-distance travel. Not only would it drastically reduce travel times, but it's also designed to be more energy efficient than traditional modes of transportation. While still in its experimental phase, the Hyperloop could redefine connectivity between cities and countries, making the world feel smaller and more interconnected. Now picture this: buildings that generate their own energy, adapt to their environment, and even repair themselves. Welcome to the era of smart materials and sustainable construction. From self-healing concrete to solar-paneled windows, the construction industry is undergoing a green revolution. These innovations could significantly reduce the carbon footprint of our buildings, while making them more resilient to climate change. Companies are also exploring 3D printing technologies to construct homes quickly and affordably, addressing the global housing crisis. The fusion of sustainability and technology in construction is not just about innovation, it's about ensuring a livable future for generations to come. Another groundbreaking area is biotechnology, particularly CRISPR gene editing technology. This tool allows scientists to edit DNA with unprecedented precision, potentially curing genetic disorders, enhancing crop yields, and even eradicating diseases like malaria. Imagine a future where hereditary conditions are a thing of the past, where crops can withstand extreme weather, and where diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries are wiped out. While ethical considerations and regulatory hurdles remain, the potential of CRISPR is nothing short of transformative. And speaking of transformation, let's not forget the role of quantum computing. Traditional computers rely on bits, which are either a 0 or a 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously, thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. This allows quantum computers to process information at speeds unimaginable with today's technology. Companies like IBM, Google, and startups like Rigetti are racing to make quantum computing more accessible. From solving complex problems in physics and chemistry to optimizing logistics and financial models, quantum computing could unlock solutions to problems we haven't even thought of yet. But what about our digital lives? Enter the Metaverse. While the concept has been around for a while, recent advancements in virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are bringing it closer to reality. The Metaverse promises immersive digital environments where people can work, play, and socialize. Imagine attending a virtual concert where you can interact with other attendees as if you were physically there, or collaborating with colleagues in a shared virtual office. Companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, are investing billions into building this digital frontier. While there are challenges to overcome, such as privacy concerns and accessibility, the Metaverse could fundamentally change how we experience the Internet. Now, let's look at the stars. Space exploration is entering a new golden age, thanks to advancements in reusable rocket technology. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are making space travel more affordable and sustainable. But it's not just about sending astronauts to the Moon or Mars. Satellites are being deployed to provide global internet coverage, monitor climate change, and even detect natural disasters in real time. The commercialization of space could lead to breakthroughs in science, technology, and our understanding of the universe. Who knows? The next decade might see the first steps toward establishing human colonies on other planets. And finally, let's talk about clean energy. The transition to renewable energy sources is not just a trend, it's a necessity. Breakthroughs in solar panel efficiency, wind turbine technology, and energy storage are making renewables more viable than ever before. One exciting development is the potential of nuclear fusion, the same process that powers the sun. Unlike nuclear fission, fusion produces minimal waste and has no risk of meltdowns. Scientists have been chasing this dream for decades, and while we're not there yet, recent advancements suggest we're closer than ever. A successful transition to clean energy could drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change on a global scale. So, there you have it, 10 emerging technologies that are poised to change the future in ways we can barely imagine. From revolutionizing healthcare to exploring new frontiers in space, these innovations represent the incredible potential of human ingenuity. But they also come with challenges that we, as a global community, must address. Ethical concerns, accessibility, and sustainability will be key as we navigate this exciting future. Thanks for watching Digitize.